morning we're in Madeira, in Funchal, and we've just got off, as we left the ship, we turned left and got on the free shuttle bus that they have to come in to the town. We've been off the ship for about 5 minutes and been accosted lots of times with taxi drivers wanting to take us and show us around the area. Keep saying no, and they keep following us and asking us. So apparently a return ticket on the gondolas, the cable cars, is €18, the single being £12.50, and the one guy, so the price that they wanted was €140 just to show us around the area. So that's what price they're trying to sell their tickets for. Wanted. Oh, yeah. There you go. Want to be on camera?
On the stone
to make it a ham.
Ah, right.
like a ham.
Yeah.
Clever that, eh?
I hadn't noticed. I just thought it was something
They will
to
go
help
up on
it.
the table.
Yeah.
Going on the cable.
So you've been here before?
Upstairs in the market they have leather goods, herbs, flowers, fruits and veg, dried fruits, knife sharpeners, shredded cabbage and the tourist office. So they have a whole area for knife sharpeners and shredded cabbage. Apparently. Very interesting. So there's the tourism office there, and then you can see where we just were then, down there. And going in search of the shredded cabbage. I'm afraid I failed on the mission. I can't find shredded cabbage anyway. Really disappointed with that. It doesn't seem to be. They sell everything else apart from shredded cabbage. Well, if they closed it down, they should have informed us and put it on the sign. But it is lovely, and they got little bars right at the back where you can sit outside and have a drink. It was €6 on the one side of the bar, and the bar on the other side was €7.80 for a large beer. So one piece of Madeira cake and one glass of Madeira wine is £4.50. Should we have that?
Yes, I'll
Yeah?
treat you.
What?
Well, if you...
I got that on video. Right, we'll try that and we'll let you know what it tastes like. Thank you, Mother. That's nice of you. This is the Madeira wine. Yeah? Oh, it's very nice. Quite sweet. Not as sweet as sherry. Very strong. And then the Madeira cake. That's it. Very much like fruit cake. Quite a heavy cake. And what would you say? How would you describe it, Mother?
What, this cake?
Yeah, very much like a fruit cake.
Yeah, it's a bit like malt loaf almost. It's a little bit of a malt loaf texture anyway, isn't it? Bit fruit cake like. Yeah? Malt loaf like Mum says.
I think it's a little bit of a malt flavour in it, but I would describe it more as like a fruit cake. But it is really nice.
I think it's more the texture reminds me of a malt loaf.
The texture of a malt loaf. But of course, if you eat a lot of Madeira cake anyway, you would know that. It's just I don't normally eat Madeira cake, so cheers. I'll carry on.
Lovely, aren't they?
Just heads.
Yes, just heads.
I love the quaint little cobbled streets that are everywhere you see. Quite smoky down here.
Character of the street.
Yeah? Don't know whether it's incense. Very smoky down here. So that's the issue, is getting badgered now if we walk through here by everyone who's trying to get you to eat in their restaurant. But the one guy just said we had a leaflet off the lady about eating in hers, and the next guy said don't eat there, it's not a very good environment. Come and eat in mine. They're sort of fighting over us as we're walking down. There's a duck store. Wow. That just sells ducks. How wonderful. I think every place needs a duck store. You just see the cable cars there off in the distance. And there's the fort is there. And our ship is there. There. To the top of the cable cars, so we'll see what there is to do around here. Very, very pretty. I didn't see how much it was to go into the botanical.
I think it's 35, including the botanical gardens, rather than 18.
So we paid €18 each for a return, and yeah, Mum thinks it was 35 for a return,
Plus
to go into the botanical gardens as well.
a return.
We're not botanical garden type people, unfortunately. So, but if you are, good place to come. Very steep, isn't it?
Yes. That's why you can go down on a piece of wood.
Yeah. $35 for two. There, and there they are. I don't think I'll have a go actually. I was going to. Very, very steep. Not that I'm frightened, of course. It's pretty cool. At the top of the cable car you have the Monte Palace Madeira Museum and History of Portugal, Adventure of the Portuguese in Japan,
Tropical garden.
a wishing well, Cleopatra vase, palace, ceramic gallery, and then you've also got 1,000-year-old olive trees, koi carp, bamboo, dragon tree, birds of paradise. So there seems to be a lot going on there. Definitely. And the entrance is €15 to go to the gardens. 15. That's alright. That's brilliant. So that's our ship. And then you come outside the ship, and then these are the shuttle buses then, that should have Azura written on them, as you can see on that one. Come out to see the Christmas lights, and they're absolutely beautiful. They look lovely from on board ship, but even better when you're right up close to them. That's the Ronaldo statue, all shined up. And the view. Beautiful. We're going to head back to the ship now. It's lovely seeing all the lights around. We're very lucky because normally the captain said they leave port at about 6 o'clock, 6:30 normally, but they are leaving at 10:30, and we all have to be on board for 10 o'clock today. So yeah, been really lovely. And this is the building that Cristiano Ronaldo, I hope I don't say that wrong. This is the building he owns, apparently. So there's his hotel, if you want to stay somewhere that CR owns. There you go. Thank you very much for watching, and from me and Cristiano Ronaldo, it's a goodbye. Bye.